Do you know who gave it to you? Are you gonna give her a hug?
From Saya?
It's from Saya. That's so cool.
It's not that big.
That's okay. He's gonna love it.
Thank you. Oh, yum. I always wanted.
Wow.
Okay. Are you gonna open
Lucky?
Grandma and Grandpa's?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh my. Awesome. Oh my. I wanted this so bad, and
You
look
got
at sushi. Sushi.
good. Are you gonna say something to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma. Grandpa.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna open
There's
this
something
first.
else in there.
Oh.
No, it's the other one.
Oh.
The blue one, blue one.
Your card is in there.
Awesome dragon.
Yay!
Wow.
That is a cool book. Let me see.
Awesome.
Dragons.
Dragon
I have your card.
World. Dragon World. There's a card in there? Oh, yeah.
Grandson, happy birthday. Looks like you got the best parts of everyone in the family. Happy birthday. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. Let me